Hey, what's up guys? We are back in the news. We're just a couple of days away from the official announcement of the Galaxy S21 series. We've already seen the specs, we have seen the official images, as well as real-life hands-on look, but there's still some exciting stuff out there that we don't know. As we know already that Galaxy S21 Ultra is getting the official S Pen treatment, but it's actually going to be very different from what we have seen on the Note series. According to Max Weinbach, the S Pen of the S21 Ultra is as big as Apple Pencil. We got similar information from another Max. Basically, the S Pen of the S21 Ultra looks like the S Pen on the Tab S7. Now, if you actually take a close look at the S Pen of the Tab S7, it's almost as big as the S21 Ultra. It has the same latency as the Note 20 Ultra's S Pen, so 9 millisecond delay is pretty impressive. Very likely it's gonna have that with the S21 Ultra as well. Now, something that it may not have is Bluetooth. Without the Bluetooth feature, we won't be able to do certain remote functions like launching camera application or changing modes or taking pictures in Instagram. In my opinion, minus the gimmicks, pretty much sticking to the actual function, which is the writing and drawing, and of course that 9 millisecond delay will be incredible. Now, this big S Pen actually attaches on the back of the Tab series, so I believe there might be some kind of magnetic functionality added to the S21 Ultra, perhaps with the case. So with this news, we now know that the Galaxy S21 Ultra will not have the same kind of integrated S Pen level or all those S Pen features as a traditional Galaxy Note smartphone, which is right now the Note 20 Ultra. It definitely feels like Samsung is keeping that full-on Note experience to a actual Note phone. Again, we'll make a separate video talking about that. Also in the news, Samsung Galaxy tags, these are leaked via FCC certification. These are object tracking device with the UWB technology, so they're going to be compatible with your Galaxy S21 smartphone, Note 20 Ultra, and Fold 2. As for the design look, they do look cheap, at least in these photos, made up of plastic. There's a bit of a different material on that whole, but overall it is using a pretty much plastic kind of body. Very likely it's going to be announced alongside with the S21 series on January 14. Now, speaking of announcement, in the recent S21 teaser, Samsung did not confirm the date yet, so expect a proper announcement soon. Also the news, once again, the S21 series may not have micro SD card slot option, and that is on all S21 models. Samsung did that in 2015. Also, if you notice, with the base Galaxy Note 10 and Note 20, they did not have any micro SD card slot for storage expansion. So pretty much the internal memory will be the only storage to play with. For me, it's plenty enough. I haven't used micro SD card on a Samsung smartphone in the recent times, but I'm pretty sure there are people out there who would love to have this option. Now, lastly, Samsung is launching their ultra affordable Galaxy M series pretty soon in India. Now, we could be seeing Galaxy M12. Recently, we looked at its leaked design via OnLeaks. It's got a very budget setup, side fingerprint scanner, plastic body, all that good stuff. Again, for the price, it will be appealing to the Indian market. That's all for today. The S Pen of the S21 Ultra is different in a way that I did not expect. It is different and it looks bigger. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.